Hello, my friends. So we just talked about the five-finger retell, and we talked about the setting of the story, the characters, the beginning, the middle, and end. So now it's your turn. You were going to read the story Goldilocks and the Three Bears, and then you're going to use the microphone or the video, and you're just going to tell me, well, who were the characters, what was the setting, what happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Really quick, really easy. I just want to see how well you can do it, which I know you all can do it really awesome. So let's go ahead and start reading our book. Here we go. Okay, so our story is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So put your ears on and listen, because here we go. Once upon a time, there were three bears: Daddy Bear, Mommy Bear, Baby Bear, and Baby Bear. One morning, they decided to go for a walk and pick a few berries to top their breakfast porridge. So far we have a Mommy Bear, a Daddy Bear, and a Baby Bear. So those, my friends, are your characters. While the bears were out, a little girl wandered deep into the forest. Her name was Goldilocks. So there is another character. Goldilocks found a little house and wondered who lived there. The door was open, so she went inside. So the setting would be a forest. No one was home, but Goldilocks found the three bowls of porridge sitting on the kitchen table. She realized that all her walking had made her hungry, and the porridge smelled so good that even though it wasn't hers, she decided to have some to eat. She tried the first bowl, but it was too hot. She tried the second bowl, but it was too cold. Then she tried the last bowl, and it was just right, so she ate it all up. After eating all the porridge, Goldilocks wanted to sit down. She tried the first chair. It was too big. She tried the second chair. It was too small. Then she tried the last chair. It was just right, but it broke when she sat down. Finally, Goldilocks realized she was very tired and needed a nap. She tried the first bed, but it was too hard. She tried the second bed. It was too soft. Then she tried the last bed, and it was just right. So Goldilocks snuggled down and went to sleep. When they finished collecting berries, it was time for the bear family to come home. They came into the kitchen and saw someone had been there. Daddy Bear said, "Someone has been eating my porridge." Mommy Bear said, "Someone has been eating my porridge." And Baby Bear said, "Someone has been eating my porridge." And they ate it all up. Then they went into the living room. Daddy Bear said, "Someone has been sitting in my chair." And Mommy Bear said, "Someone has been sitting in my chair." Baby Bear said, "Someone has been sitting in my chair," and broke it all into pieces. Finally, they went into the bedroom. Daddy Bear said, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed." Mommy Bear said, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed." Baby Bear said, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed, and she's right there now." Goldilocks woke up. She jumped out of bed, ran out of the little house, and never came back. The end. How fun was that story? Wasn't that a great story? I thought that was a great story. So, my friends, the five-finger retell, which is right here, should actually be right. There we go. Here is the five-finger retell, which is also on your page. So the setting of this story were obviously the three bears and Goldilocks, or the setting was in the forest in their house. The characters were Goldilocks, Mama Bear, Daddy Bear, Baby Bear. In the beginning, the bears decided to go get some food, so they left the house. In the middle, Goldilocks comes into their house and she sits on their chair. She breaks it. She lays in the bed. She ends up sleeping in it and she eats all the porridge. And then in the end of the story, what happens? The bears come home and they find Goldilocks and then she runs off. Bye, Goldilocks. See you later. So, my friends, now it is your turn. It is your turn to go ahead and leave me a video or use the microphone and tell me all about Goldilocks and the Three Bears using the 5-finger retell. Okay, my friends, have fun.